The fire didn't just burn, it spoke. At first, it was chaos. Loss sounded like a scream you couldn't let out. Disappointment felt like static in your ears, and the voices of fear got louder than your faith. But then the fire stripped all of that away. It burned through what you thought was necessary, what you thought was you, but was really a performance. And beneath the smoke, you heard something. It was loud. It wasn't fancy. It was God whispering in the wreckage. You thought he wasn't there because everything was falling apart. But what if he was there precisely because it was falling apart? He never promised to prevent the flame. He promised to meet you in it, to walk with you, to keep you from being consumed. And now you hear differently. You pray differently. You listen differently. The fire didn't destroy your faith. It deepened it. And from this day on, you'll never mistake noise for clarity again. Because now you know what God sounds like in the heat.